In this video, you'll learn how to transfer USDT from Binance to your Phantom wallet. This process involves copying your Phantom amps and waiting for the transfer to complete. By following these steps carefully, you will successfully move your USDT to your desired wallet. Begin by opening your Phantom wallet application on your device. Once the application loads, find and click the option labeled Receive. This will direct you to a page where you can manage incoming assets. After this, select USDT from the list of available cryptocurrencies. It is crucial to ensure that the selected network is the Solana network, as this will allow for a successful transfer. Next, you will need to copy your Phantom address. Look for the address displayed on the screen and use the copy option provided. This action will save your address to your clipboard, making it ready for use in the next step. Confirm that you have copied the address correctly before proceeding. After copying your Phantom address, open the Binance application or website, navigate to the wallet section, which is usually found in the main menu. From there, select Withdraw to begin the process of sending your USDT. In the withdrawal interface, you will need to select USDT as the cryptocurrency you wish to transfer. Now, paste the Phantom address that you copied earlier into the designated address field. It is essential to choose the correct network at this point. Select Sol or Solana as the network for the withdrawal. This choice is very important because using the wrong network can result in the loss of your funds. After ensuring everything is correct, enter the amount of USDT you wish to withdraw. To finalize their withdrawal, tap the withdraw button. The system may prompt you to confirm the transaction with a one-time password or an email code. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete this confirmation step. Once confirmed, your withdrawal request will be processed and you will need to wait for the transaction to complete. Typically, the transfer will take between 1 to 3 minutes to process. During this time, you can monitor the transaction status in Binance or wait for the USDT to appear in your Phantom wallet. Once the transfer is complete, your USDT will automatically show up in your Phantom wallet, ready for use.